Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Kadhi chawal means comfort food. So what's special about this recipe? It's the pakoras. I'll show you how to make them super soft and nutritious. Let's get started. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. For the pakoras, I'm using some grated potatoes, carrots and pumpkin. I'm also using finely chopped French beans, coriander, green chilies and some onions. Take a bowl, add some basil or gram flour, add in the vegetables. You could add in any vegetable of your choice, there are no rules. You could add in more or less. So I'll just add in some of the carrots, green chilies, potatoes and onions. And that's nutritious. Mix it with the gram flour. Make sure to coat all the vegetables with the gram flour. This way you get a fair idea about how much water to add and how much more gram flour or besan to add. Some kasoori methi or dried fenugreek, turmeric powder, salt to taste and water. We need to make a thick paste out of it. Add in more besan, a tablespoon at a time, as per your requirement. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Mix well. I think it needs a bit more of the besan. That looks like a nice pakoda batter. Beat the batter really well so that it becomes light and fluffy and you'll get really nice and soft pakodas. That looks fluffy to me. Can you see that it has become a bit stiff? But it's really light. So heat some oil in a pan. Fry the pakodas in medium hot oil. I'm using my hand. You could use a spoon. Just get them roughly the same size, big or small, as you wish. Keep the heat at medium. So keep regulating the heat. We want to cook all the shredded, grated vegetables that are there inside the pakoda as well. They look done. Take them out and drain on absorbent paper, and the next batch goes in. Once they are done, let them cool down. In a larger bowl, I have taken about a cup of yogurt. Using a whisk or a spoon, just beat the dahi till there are no lumps in it. That looks good. Add in some besan, turmeric powder, salt. Use the whisk to beat it into a smooth paste once again. A bit more of the turmeric for the color. Time to add in water. Mix it to a smooth batter. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in some fenugreek seeds to temper the oil and flavor it. Once they start spluttering, add in some ginger garlic paste. Keep the heat on low. Add in some turmeric powder and some red chili powder. Mix it. Pour in the yogurt and gram flour batter. Give it a mix. I'll add in some more water. Wash the bowl and add in more water. You can always cook it down. Keep it on medium heat and let it come to a boil. Keep stirring it. Once that has come to a boil, Just cook it for a minute or two so that the sauce thickens slightly. It has been cooking for about 2 minutes now and that looks nice. It's time to add in the pakodas. Drop them in carefully. We'll boil them for a minute along with the sauce. Turn off the heat and cover it with a lid. This is how it looks after about 15 minutes. It's best to leave it for 30 minutes so that the pakoras soak up all the liquid. Just look at the level that has gone down and the pakodas have swollen up after soaking up the kadhi. Let's give it the finishing touches. Some kasuri methi on top. For the final tarka, I have some hot oil here, red chili, some coriander and cumin seeds. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Add it on top. Give it a mix. And that's ready. Finally, serve the kadhi with some hot steamed rice and have your folks guessing what's in the pakoras. Enjoy!